Welcome to my channel. Porsche engines for sale. What to check before spending huge. Step 1. Know the exact Porsche model and engine code. Porsche engines are specific, whether it is 997 versus 996 or turbo versus Carrera. Even tiny differences in years change everything. Always match the engine code and VIN options. Step 2. Choose your type. Used, rebuilt, or reman. Used equals cheapest, also risky. Rebuilt equals parts replaced as needed. Reman equals fully torn down, better peace of mind. Pick the one that fits the wallet and the plans for the car. Step 3. Check for common Porsche fail points. Some models have known weak spots. If the seller has answers or vague on upgrade, red flag. Step 4. Ask for compression and leak down numbers. No test results equals no trust. Porsche engines are too expensive for words like, just trust us. Step 5. Demand proof of mileage. Low mileage doesn't always mean healthy, but high mileage without records usually means a surprise bill later. Porsche engines don't forgive poor maintenance. Step 6. Ask about the warranty coverage. A real warranty should cover labor if something goes wrong. If the engine fails again, only the part is replaced, the labor cost still comes out of the buyer's pocket. Step 7. Look for a Porsche specialist installer. Regular mechanics are great, but Porsche engines need different tools, different knowledge. A specialist prevents sensor, timing, and ECU issues. Step 8. Confirm all accessories compatibility. ECU, harness, fuel system, and exhaust headers are compatible with the engine you're buying. One mismatch and the install stalls for days, costing way more than planned. Step 9. Get a total cost up front. Engine price isn't the whole number. After buying an engine, you have to pay for delivery, labor, fluids, and gaskets. Maybe even a clutch if it's a manual 911. Better to know before finalizing the deal. Step 10. Break it in smart. No redlining, no launch control, oil changes early. Let the engine settle gently. It's a Porsche, you should treat it like one. Thanks for watching.